Hi guys, do you like what you see? Watch this video to the end. Let me show you how I make this plate of goodness. Alright, so this is my catfish which I've washed properly, transferred to the cooking pot, add enough water, and here is the fresh pepper which I grinded together with Ogiru Bay is a local spicy, and now I'm also adding homemade pepper soup spicy. Add it, allow it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now it has started cooking. I'll go ahead and add ripe plantain. That's ripe plantain is a game changer for this spice pepper soup, right? So now make sure everything gets into the water, cover it and still cook it for about more 4 to 5 minutes. And now I just added a little bit of vegetable oil and also add some onions. Okay, after that I still cook it more. Altogether I cook this fish for about let's say 15 to 20 minutes, and now I'm giving it a stir, like kind of turn it to the side to make sure that the fish cooks properly, all the side gets done, make sure all the nutrients get into the fish and all that. And trust me, at this point the aroma was already nose blinding. Okay, now my fish is almost done. I'm adding crayfish lastly. I didn't make sure that I added salt. Of course I added salt. You add salt to taste. All right, so I just added crayfish. So I make sure everything gets into the water, the crayfish, turn the fish gently, make sure it doesn't scatter, and so everything cooks properly. Lately, guys, I've been having this love for fish, and today I decided to kind of give it a game change. Yes, I decided to try a new thing with ripe plantain, and today is the first time too I used ogirope to make my catfish pepper soup, and it turned out very nice. Like the taste is so nice. I bet you would try this. You would try it. Trust me, you're going to love it. Okay, so I'm dishing out my food and I'm ready to consume it. Man, I told myself I'm going to be eating good food though. I'm going to be eating good food because I want to stay healthy. Okay, so guys, if you're watching this video and you've not yet followed my page, please do so. Like, share, drop your comments, and please follow. Thank you.